What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a range test with the Mavic 2 Pro. I know there's a lot of them out there, but this is going to be my version in my city in Florida. So that's going to be the difference. I am in an open spot, there's nothing around me. I'm in the woods pretty much, but I do have a clear shot to get a good range test. So I'm going to get right into it. I will be talking as I fly. I will be recording my screen on my phone. So let's get right into it and let's see how this goes. My goal is to get 2 miles, but I'm gonna get it down to like 55% and then head back this way. So let me turn on the drone. I'm gonna do everything from my hand since the grass is kind of high where I'm at here. So as you know, with the DJI Mavic drone, you have to wait for the GPS, so I'm waiting for GPS to lock on. The wind is hitting around 8 to 10 miles an hour right now.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So now the home point's been updated. I will be flying over water the majority of the time. Like I said, I will be recording my screen, so you guys will be able to see everything. So here we go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There is the takeoff. So let's go ahead and get started with this range test. I'm gonna bump it up to 100 feet, just so I know I have enough range so far. Then I'm gonna take off. Whenever signal starts dropping, I'm gonna bump it up another 100, all the way until I get to around 380, and then I won't go any higher than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit record in case I want to show you some of that footage. So here we go. My battery is at 98% right now. I'm not gonna put it in sports mode. I don't think there's any reason for that. So here we go. As you see, I am over water and I am flying good. I did do this range test yesterday at my house, but it only went 1 mile before it freaked out, because I have cell towers around my house. I have all of that. It's just not necessary. I mean, it's just not good, not necessary, but it's just not good for a drone signal. So as you see, once I get to 5,000 feet, I think that's 1.16 miles. So once I do get to my furthest spot, I will be putting the miles on the screen, so you guys will be able to see that as well. Because I'm not going to convert the miles in feet right here, so I will put it on the screen once we get to our maximum spot. As you see, everything is going pretty smooth right now. I'm at 156 feet, nothing crazy. I am getting a warning saying extended flight distance, always maintain visual line of sight. It is kind of freaky flying over water, so I doubt I'd be able to recover this if for some reason it decides to go down. I mean, these things never go down, but if it decides to, I won't be able to recover it. It'll be a drone down. So I've already went further than I went yesterday in my range test. And you know, it's because I'm in a better spot. There's no signal, no Wi-Fi, nothing out here. 88% battery life left. Doing really good when it comes to battery life. I'm gonna bump it up to 200 feet just to make me feel more comfortable. (8,300 feet right now. I'm getting really uncomfortable flying this far, just to be perfectly honest. I mean, usually when you fly a drone for profession, you never have to fly this far. So it is kind of freaky flying this far. Plus, I'm in an area where I know I cannot recover the drone. Signal's still really strong. Everything looks really good. Battery life's only at 81. It's kind of good, and I have reached 2 miles already. So the wind, I can tell, is really not affecting this drone much at all. Like I said, I am kind of freaked out right now. I never go this far with a drone. I'm kind of freaking out, but I'm just gonna continue until my battery gets to 60, and then I'm gonna bring it back. Maybe 70, I might bring it back at 70, because there's really no reason for the drone to go this far. As you see at the top, that yellow line, once it matches up with the home and the time, it will not make it back to you. So you really got to pay attention to that line. As you see, it's getting really close, so I will be bringing it back. Oh, adjust antenna. There we go. I have reached 3 miles, so I will be bringing the drone back right now. So as you've seen, that's how far the drone went. That's how far I was comfortable doing it, bringing it. I am bringing the drone back now. Now it's all on making sure this drone does get back to the destination. Sometimes that could be a challenge. Hopefully it's not this time. I know when I did a range test on my Mavic Mini, I was at 0. I didn't hardly make it back at all. So I'm gonna do my best to make this. I have 68%, 67%. So I really do hope I make it back. 3 miles is really good. I only went 253 feet in the air. I didn't get really high at all. I didn't have to. I could have went further, a little further, as I seen with my line, the yellow line matching up with the green line. I didn't want to chance it. This is a brand new drone that I just purchased. I did want to get as far as I could for you guys, so you guys could see how far it goes here in Florida, the location I'm at. But anyways, it's coming back. I hope it makes it back just fine. I'm sure you guys seen how many miles it was in feet. I'm gonna have to figure that out later when I'm doing editing, but let's see if it makes it back. Someone just called me as I'm doing this test, which I think messed up my screen recording. I can't really find out until I get the drone back, so that's really frustrating. I might have to do this again for the 3rd time. Okay, so I have 6,000 feet left. I think it's gonna make it back perfectly fine. I have 57% battery life. This is still kind of freaky, but it's just part of it, I guess. So let's see if it makes it back. 3,000 feet left. I think we're gonna be fine. I have 3,000 feet left. I can't see. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down just a notch, so I will be able to hear it once I get here. The wind is picking up, but I think it's in the drone's favor. Yeah, it is in the drone's favor. So we're good. I think we're good. All I have to do is make it across that water right there and I'm gonna be good. And there it is, across the water, headed to me. We made it with 48% battery life left. Some of you guys can call me a chicken, but you know, I can't lose this drone. This is how I make money. But still, 3 miles is a long way. And there it is, went 3 miles, I believe. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to watch some tests that they went further than me, I'm sure there's some on YouTube. So with that, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.